Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you liked today's adventure and it helps you plan for your next layover. So if you do like this content and the channel, please remember to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.
Welcome aboard. Sit back, buckle up, and relax because we are off to another great destination. Hey everyone, no, this isn't New York. 24 hours, one city. Let's make it epic. Got a layover in Toronto. No worries, I've got you covered with the ultimate 24-hour guide to make the most of your time in this amazing city. We're talking iconic landmarks, hidden gems, killer food, and enough energy to power through a transatlantic flight. Let's go. First up, we're hitting the ground running. Literally. Straight from the airport, we're cabbing it over to the CN Tower. You can't come to Toronto without experiencing this iconic landmark. Trust me, the view from up there is absolutely insane. We're talking panoramic views of the entire city, Lake Ontario stretching out like an ocean, and that feeling like you're on top of the world. Now, I know what you're thinking, been there, done that, got the t-shirt, but hold up, because the CN Tower isn't just about the view. That's right, I'm talking about the edge walk. So are you up for the challenge? Because we're about to find out. All right, adrenaline junkies, we've conquered the CN Tower. Now get ready for a trip through time at the Royal Ontario Museum, aka the ROM. This place is a treasure trove of history, art, and culture from around the world. We're talking dinosaur bones, ancient artifacts, and enough knowledge to make your head spin. Forget stuffy old museums. The ROM is all about interactive exhibits and mind-blowing displays. Keep an eye out for the dinosaur exhibit. It's a personal favorite. Standing beneath those massive skeletons, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. And hey, if dinosaurs aren't your thing, no worries. The ROM has something for everyone. All that exploring is working up an appetite, right? After all, there's nothing like a day of adventure to make you crave something delicious. Good, because next up we're hitting up a Toronto institution, St. Lawrence Market. This historic market has been serving the community since 1803. Get ready for a sensory overload of sights, smells, and tastes that will blow your mind. From the moment you step inside, you'll be greeted by the vibrant hustle and bustle of the market. This place is a foodie's paradise, with vendors hawking everything from fresh produce and local cheeses to gourmet sandwiches and international cuisine. My advice, come hungry and ready to explore. Seriously, don't even think about eating breakfast before you get here. You'll want to save all the room you can for the incredible food options. The energy here is electric, with locals and tourists alike mingling amongst the stalls, bargaining for the best deals, and soaking up the vibrant atmosphere. It's a true melting pot of cultures and flavors. So grab your wallets, loosen your belts, and get ready to experience the true taste of Toronto at St. Lawrence Market. This place has something for everyone. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Every bite is a new adventure, and you'll leave with memories as rich as the flavors you've tasted. All right, belly's full and energy levels high. It's time to walk off that delicious food coma with a stroll through Toronto's coolest neighborhood, the Distillery District. This place is like stepping back in time, but with a hip, modern twist. The historic charm of the area is palpable, yet it seamlessly blends with contemporary vibes. Imagine cobblestone streets lined with Victorian-era industrial buildings now transformed into art galleries, boutiques, cafes, and restaurants. Each building tells a story, a blend of history and modern creativity. Keep your eyes peeled for street art. It's everywhere you look in the Distillery District. From colorful murals to thought-provoking installations, the art scene here is as vibrant and eclectic as the neighborhood itself. So grab your camera, put on your walking shoes, and prepare to be inspired by the creativity that surrounds you. Get ready to experience the charm and creativity of Toronto's Distillery District. Every corner you turn offers a new discovery, a new piece of art, or a new taste sensation. It's a feast for the senses, a place where every sight, sound, and smell invites you to explore further. And a reminder that the past and present can coexist in perfect harmony. The Distillery District is a testament to the beauty of preserving history while embracing the future. Need a break from the city buzz? We've got you covered. Sometimes the hustle and bustle of urban life can be overwhelming, and that's when you know it's time for a quick escape. Next stop, we're hopping on a ferry and escaping to the Toronto Islands. This short journey is the perfect way to leave the city behind and start your mini adventure. Just a short boat ride from the city center, these islands offer a peaceful oasis from the urban jungle. The fresh air and open water will instantly make you feel more relaxed. As you cruise across the harbor, take a moment to soak in the views of the Toronto skyline. It's truly breathtaking. The cityscape looks even more impressive from the water. Once you reach the islands, you'll be greeted by a different pace of life. Think lush parkland, sandy beaches, and charming boardwalks. It's a stark contrast to the concrete jungle you left behind. It's the perfect place to rent a bike, pack a picnic, and explore the scenic trails. The islands are a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Spend a few hours relaxing and recharging, whether you're with family, friends, or solo. There's something for everyone to enjoy. And as the sun begins to set, find a spot on the beach and watch as the city lights twinkle to life. It's the perfect end to a day of tranquility and adventure. As the sun sets on our whirlwind tour of Toronto, it's time to experience the city's legendary nightlife, and there's no better place to do that than in the heart of the action, the entertainment district. This is where Toronto comes alive after dark, with theaters, clubs, bars, and restaurants buzzing with energy. Speaking of meals, we're ending our 24-hour adventure with a bang. Dinner at one of the entertainment district's hottest restaurants. From award-winning steakhouses to trendy fusion restaurants, there's something here to satisfy every craving. And after dinner, the night is yours for the taking. Catch a live music performance, sip cocktails at a rooftop bar, or hit the dance floor at one of the city's many nightclubs. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, folks, a perfect 24-hour layover in Toronto. From soaring heights to island escapes, we packed a whole lot of adventure into one day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Until next time, safe travels.